Whoa, what's up, man? This is how to start a clothing brand. Yo, Marty, what do we call in this video? What's the title of this? How to start a clothing brand, or just like
how to rob an industry, nigga?
How to make money as a fucking broke nigga.
Is this on?
It's on, man.
Yo, we gonna teach y'all how to make money, broke or rich or poor or broke. Y'all broke as we are, so y'all need to know how to make money. And I'm gonna tell you that right the fuck now. And we gonna show you right the fuck now.
Yeah, what he said.
Intruder, shut down all the ice cream shop, set up the sweet supper shop. It's time to show ya. Hey, look, I'm just gonna show y'all motherfuckers how to get to it. Look, I was a broke nigga my whole life too, okay? And then I figured some shit out. You gotta use these and this motherfucker right here. You do Birdman, and now you got t-shirts. This is your year. This costs your year. You get that with this right here, okay? Yo, these are from the dollar store in Texas. So don't tell me you can't do this shit, nigga. I was in Texas. These are from the fucking dollar store, yo. Like, okay, granted, they might be a little fucking, you know, ripped or, you know, irregular, but call it fucking distressed and you got yourself a product, okay? Look, 40 of them. This is $1 a piece. $1, 1 buckaroo.
Alright, so basically today we're going to show you how to not necessarily start your own clothing brand, but how to make and screen print clothes. And we're going to be doing with the new Denied Approval drop, giving you a first-hand look at what the fuck we're about to do. So yeah, first step is what?
Draw your picture. We got to draw like a design, get your logo right, figure it out. This is one color, Denied Approval. Pocket hit on the other side. So what we got here is a transparency. This transparency is the image burnt on clear paper. What's gonna happen is I'm gonna put this transparency onto this screen, which is coated with this blue stuff called emulsion. What's gonna happen is I'm gonna turn this light on. The light is gonna take this image and burn it into this chemical. There's a lot of science behind it, but let's skip that and just say when the lights is on, it's time to perform. If you're shining the light from the top, you want it inverted. If you're shining the light from the bottom, you want it the right way. Does that make sense? Probably not. You gotta put this piece of glass over it. That way, it keeps your image nice and flat, and you don't get a ripple effect in the design, which sucks. Let there be light. Now that that's done, 3 minutes being exposed, we're gonna go wash it out. There's probably a lot of ways to do this, but you already start to see the design coming out. Then you wanna flip it over, do the same on this side. Let it chill for a second.
So for this drop, I'm doing basically these comfort color tees. It's like a pretty heavyweight, kind of vintagey feeling t-shirt with some matching basketball shorts. They should be hard as fuck. The design's pretty big, so I like that. This one's kind of small. Especially if you're a big person, the design be so tiny on your shirt. So I want to do a big one, and there's a smaller version of the same design on the short. I think it's gonna look hard as fuck. So the cool thing about social media is that it kind of gives you a chance to just become whatever you want to become, or like even just give yourself a personal brand. And so with that, you can take that and you can literally make some type of shirts, some type of stickers. You can always sell something. Because the thing is, when you're a service, you have to keep providing that service in order to make money. But when you're a product, that's when you can do the work once and let that shit play out. And then you have passive income coming in that you don't have to keep getting up every day and work. So this is kind of my version of like, I'm building a fan base on YouTube, and then what my product will be is the t-shirts, the sweatshirts. Thanks to this guy right here, the genie himself.
Okay, right here. Now we're gonna do spray it all the way out. All right. It's kind of funny because you remember I was like, oh, it don't matter like when you fucking have the weird image and then you can see the lines, like it's super micro, but like you can see the lines where it's vectorized. So look, if you got shitty artwork, it's gonna come out kind of shitty. Set it outside, let it dry. You should be good to go.
Alright, so right now we just got all of our colorways laid out. So I'm gonna do this red and blue colorway. I've always wanted to do something like this from a pair of New Balances I saw a long time ago. There's that colorway. This one just plain white and black. And then this one will be a gray and black shirt. So my boy's spicing it up over here.
So this is kind of high on the shirt. My bad, crap. What I'm gonna do corners. There it's still a little wet, so I'm gonna just throw it back. Check 4 corners. If it's dry on the outside, it's apparently dry on the inside. You gotta McDonald's your system. Whatever it is, get it down to a science. Qualitative, quantitative data, fool. Get it down to a fucking science. And then that way, when you count to 12 and you spin it back, you don't even have to count no more. Hell, I don't even gotta look no more. Feel me? It's just easy. It's just in the bricks. Right, so I did a Google Accelerator for a week. One of the things they taught me was like how to like leverage like yourself, right? Like called cultural competency. Something you can do that no one else in the world can do. You feel me? So you gotta like find that niche and exploit it, like leverage it, like haha, look what I could do. Like you are in a weird place, like 6 degrees of separation. You could put so many hands together, but until you got some numbers behind that shit and some like revenue coming in, they're like, I'm not fucking with you. And you look the way you look, and they're like, I'm not fucking with you.
That's
so you gotta trick them.
Though,
You gotta trick them. That's the only way to do it, is to trick them. Is to find the finesse within it all and put it together like boom.
Like right now, like this shit's popping off right now.
Yeah, and you gotta just track that. I'm trying to make all that shit. All that shit you trying to make, I'm trying to be the one to make it.
Alright, so we're trying to get a little funky with it. Put some black on there to mix in with the red. That shit's kinda hard.
That's hard, bro. I'm gonna be honest.
That's hard. I'm gonna show you some shirts. It's like 3 in the morning or something. Today we're out here and we're putting, right now we're at the laundromat. We're gonna put these clothes in the dryer, the new ones that we just printed up. And we're gonna shoot some photos of Jeff and Omar. And we're trying to get some cool pictures for this little lookbook thing. So like I was saying, this drop will sell out fast. And it's pretty cheap, honestly. Right now I had it on other prices, but they're probably gonna be anywhere from like $20 to $30, $40 a piece. But yeah, this shit is gonna sell the fuck out. So if you're watching this, I'll pause the video and go cop it and then come back to the video. For those of you that are new, you have come to the right fucking place, man. I don't think you'll find someone that is more passionate about what I'm doing right now than me. I'm really out here doing this shit for real. And I just kind of want to be like the bridge between the people and like I wouldn't say the industry, because the industry, I don't even fuck with the industry like that. I'm more just like showing the kids like, yo, this is how you do it. This is how you start from scratch, start from zero, and make it happen. And it's just really about like finessing and working hard. Like no one's gonna put shit in your fucking lap for you. No one's gonna give you a handout. And even if someone does give you a handout, you have to know what to do with that handout. So like there's a lot of shit that goes into it. So I figured I might as well just like show my version of what's going on. And I'm with a bunch of fucking junkies, so it doesn't even matter. Anyone want to go to the Hollywood Walk of Fame? I was seeing if they wanted to go to the Hollywood Walk of Fame. The Stroker.
Stroke of fame.
The Stroke of Fame. This nigga playing hide and go seek.
Oh. That man is a fucking clown, yo.
Hey, I wouldn't want to go down like looking like this and shit.
The fuck? What the fuck?
To pop off.
Oh no, I thought you was finished. Try to join somebody
Right.
or fight somebody.
No, I thought she was going straight to hands. Said what?
He said, I
My
ain't
nigga,
even
who
trying
say
to do
yo?
all this. I said, okay. He said something crazy. You niggas looking like the Migos right now walking with this camera.
Yeah.